Rupert takes a keen interest in nature. He enjoys the beautiful flowers that grow in his garden and around Nutwood. Sunflowers are really fun to grow, as they can grow very tall. They are also perfect for pollinators that play an extremely important role in the ecosystem, such as butterflies and bees. This is Murray, and today he's going to show you how to grow your own sunflower. You will need small pots, peat-free multi-purpose compost, small gardening tools or a spoon, water, the sunflower seeds from the party box. The best time to sow your sunflower seeds is in the spring, March, April or May. First, fill a small pot to 1 centimetre below the rim. Tap each side of your pot to settle the compost and firm gently. Next, select your sunflower seed. Sow 1 seed per pot and just poke the seed into the compost. Cover the sunflower seed with about 1.5 centimetres of compost. Lastly, water well so that the compost is just moist throughout. Your sunflowers should bloom during summer and into autumn. It will be some time until your sunflowers are bringing butterflies. At the Beanie, we have very special butterflies, so keep a lookout for them the next time you visit. Thank you for watching.